Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Running a BAT file on Android is a common question for users moving from Windows. Batch files are scripts designed for the Windows command prompt. Android runs on a different system called Linux. This means you cannot run a BAT file natively on your phone. You need a special app to act as an emulator. One of the best tools for this is called BusyBox. First, download the app from the Google Play Store. Next, you need to transfer your BAT file to your phone storage. Place it in a folder you can easily find. Open BusyBox and create a new profile. You will need to mount your phone's storage as a drive within the app. Choose the folder where your file is saved. Once the drive is mounted, you can access the command line interface. Type the name of your file and press enter. The script will then execute inside the emulator. Another option is using an app called Termux. This is more advanced but very powerful for developers. You may need to install additional packages to make Windows scripts work properly. Keep in mind that not all commands will work perfectly. Windows-specific functions might fail in an Android environment. Simple scripts usually work fine without any major issues. Always check your code for errors before running it on your mobile device. This process allows you to use legacy tools on the go. It bridges the gap between your computer and your smartphone. Now you can manage your automation tasks directly from your hand. Following these steps makes mobile scripting easy and accessible for everyone today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.